Polyglot Saturday would I? Polyglot Saturday would I? Andrew does everything. Polyglot Saturday would I? The Polyglot Saturday would is. I used to get my hand bit. I used to get my head hit. And the joy I'll admit. In whatever languages, Salai, Talia, Receiver, what discourse on a manual. Something on the critical page on the Kababiza and Lali Yigra Loan Mito. That's Spanish? Me more Davano La Manual. Yeah, Cobabivano. The testa on la metal provavo on such a gia. That's Italian and beyond. That's the polyglot. That's the shorter day.